Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And we're getting into the picnic and outdoors season. So today I'm going to bring to you some PA Dutch Amish macaroni salad. I love this stuff and I've been hungry for it, so it seemed like now seemed to be the time to make it. And let's face it, it's never bad anytime. So this is one of the more traditional Amish macaroni salad recipes from around here, and let's get to it. So the ingredients are pretty simple. A couple cups of macaroni, a couple cups of salad dressing, and when I say salad dressing, like Miracle Whip, not mayo. 3 hard-boiled eggs chopped up, some diced onions, some diced peppers, some diced celery, an egg for garnish later. You can also use some diced carrot, and I like dicing it pretty fine. Also some dill relish, some celery seeds, some ground mustard, and that's some of my own ground mustard. 1 cup of sugar, and a little bit of white vinegar, and we'll put this together. So first we're gonna just throw in our egg and our veggies. I'm just going to give them a mix to get them incorporated. Then I'm going to throw in the salad dressing. And you can make your own homemade salad dressing, aka Miracle Whip. It's not that hard. I did homemade mayo, but I can show you how to do homemade Miracle Whip too, salad dressing if you want. It does not contain as much oil as mayo does. My dill relish, some celery seed, a little bit of vinegar, my mustard, home ground mustard, and a cup of sugar. This will make a nice sauce. We're going to give this a good mix. I'll make sure the mustard is all evenly incorporated in along with everything else. Sugar, and so it's all mixed in here. Now we're going to just put it on our macaroni, and we're going to mix this in well. I'm going to garnish this with a hard-boiled egg and make it look pretty, and maybe a little paprika, and then chill it. I like it nice and chilled before serving, and that lets the flavors sink in. If you have the opportunity, let it sit overnight. It makes it even better. The flavors go all through the salad, you know, just like soups and a lot of other things. But there she is. You can see what she looks like. And like I said, it makes it pretty with the pepper and the celery in there. You get the color. And I'm going to get this ready to garnish. And you know then what comes next. So there it is, all ready to go. Taste test time. Here's what it looks like. And I realize it doesn't look like anything special, but how it tastes. Oh man, this really hits a spot. It's so good and tangy. One of the reasons I like the Amish macaroni salad, especially made with my homemade mustard, it's got a little zip. It's not as bland as just being made with mayo and nothing else. Has more depth of flavor, has more character. And I think it also dresses the diced veggies in it better. Well, I can eat this all day long. And the chopped up egg in there. If you wanted to make it even prettier, put on some of my red beet eggs. I showed you how to make those. That makes for an even more colorful presentation, and it's really delicious. Those eggs are really delicious with the dressing that goes in this macaroni salad. So that's a super win-win, and it looks so pretty, and it looks really impressive when you take it out places. They think you spent a lot of time on it. You don't have to tell them that you didn't. So that's how I make the PA Dutch Amish macaroni salad. Give it a try. Try it this summer in your cookouts and picnics or whatever. It usually pleases everybody. Most people really like it. So give it a try. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.